So this is a microphone, you know, this. Okay. So if you want to fit it, how to fit with this JBL, you will need a converter like this, analog to this digital. One of my viewer asked how to fit a microphone. Yes, it is possible, but you will need a converter and a jack pin also converter. If it is like this, you will have to divide it into left and right with this. And you can sing a song. You can see this is a JBL bar. This is JBL bar. Okay, wait 1 minute. This is a JBL bar. Lots of, you can have mobile. Suppose in our phone, no, we don't have jack pin nowadays. This is a old mobile. You have jack pin, you see? Jack pin. So from this mobile, how will you fit this here? There is no provision of fitting. Look, no provision of fitting this jack pin. You see? So how will you play from this mobile? Okay, I'll show you. The analog to digital audio converter. Analog to digital audio converter. You see? From this input, this is the mobile. No, I'm taking the jack pin out. You see? So this left, right. This red, this ktak, and this output both side. You see here, this is Tosel link or SPDIF, Sony Philips, you know, digital output. So fit, you see, and from this where I will fit, you see here, bring it here. You see this. Fitted. Look, this is fitted. From again, I'll show you. This is this. You see, you have to power this up, small, okay, and bring it here. Power. You see, it is power up now. Okay. Here, look. This is the remote. To play from this mobile, no, from this mobile, no, jack pin, you set it this to TV, this TV. Show it here from the phone side. This TV. TV should appear. TV. Okay. The audio jack pin. From audio jack pin, this is left, right. It is fitted here. Audio to digital goes, and it is fitted here. Okay. Now I will play some music. Wait. You can see I am not using any Bluetooth. Bluetooth off. Through this auxiliary play, I will play. MC, I'll take it this out. You see? From the volume. So in this way, you can fit any old music player with this JBL bar using this audio converter. So using this, you see, analog to digital audio converter. You can fit mobile, all music player, anything, even your old TV, any stereo system or a CD player, anything you can fit